So guys, the Z is back finally. If you guys missed last video, I go into depth about where the car's been and what's happened to it and all of that good stuff. So if you guys want that update, damn, that's a nice Mach 1 right there. Sheesh, must be nice. But if you guys want that update video, it's literally the last video on my channel, so go check that out. It'll answer all your questions, where I've been and what's been going on with the Z. So definitely don't miss that video. Definitely go watch it. But yeah, I'm pulling up to gas station. I'm gonna meet up with some of my homies, and we're just gonna basically just cruise. And I don't know what we're gonna do or how the video's gonna go. It's kind of random. I just hit them up and I'm like, yo, let's go drive. But and I need to get gas anyways, so while they're on their way, I will just fill up. All right, I just flipped my freaking car around. I totally forgot while I was filming. My pump's on this side, not that side. So guys, Blake pulled up. Say what's up, Blake.
Hey, what's good? I got this Hot Wheel for Louie. Let's go.
Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Miata. Shout out to Blake. He has the Supercharged Z, and he randomly bumped into these guys. They got a sick-ass WRX. Unfortunately, they're not coming on the cruise, but they pulled up, and their car's pretty sick, so shout out to them. Right now, we're just waiting on Jaden with the ISF, and we'll head out, but yeah, check this thing out, guys. It's pretty clean. And it's,
pop it for the video?
Yeah, you could pop it.
Check it out, boy.
Yeah. It's a still-in supercharger on a DE, and it absolutely rips. There you guys go. There you guys. And yeah, maybe in the future, if you guys want to see this car more in depth, maybe a POV drive even, just drop a comment down below. I'll ask Blake, and if he's cool with it, we can film this car some more, guys, because it's honestly so sick. It's got the Brembos on it and everything. So the other homie, Jaden, just pulled up. He's got an ISF, and yeah, basically these are the two homies we're going to be cruising with down some sick back roads. So I'll show you his car real quick. And just like the Supercharged Z, guys, if you want to see more videos on this, just let me know. This is dream spec right here, dude. It's a 5-liter naturally aspirated ISF, got the big brake. I love this car so much. So yo, look, it's another Z. They're just everywhere. With that supercharger on the Z, it sounds nothing like a VQ. It actually like helps the sound so much. All right, let's see if I can shred around this roundabout with one hand. I think I can. Jaden's like waiting all the way over there. He's like a mile away, but at least he's waiting. Damn, bro. Pull up. I'm trying to hear that. Sounds good. Oh, shit. Pull over real quick because I'm gonna mount the GoPro.
This is the spot, isn't it? This is sick.
Oh, this is a definitely a donut spot for sure. I'm not spinning it. I don't want to break my car.
I've never turned my car sideways like that before.
Oh yeah, I
I
saw.
baby this thing, so I know that was terrible. But
Nah, you're good, dude. I was laughing, but
it was fun. So.
It still has that little hint of VQ sound, but the ISF sounds so good too, man. It sounds like an American muscle car. It's crazy. It's Japanese. I think he's trying to run it. Sending it, okay? I'm trying to save gas, but that thing rips, dude. Definitely it makes like, I'd say like 300 horsepower. Come on, bruh. Oh hell no, these people are driving over the line. They're going slow. You gotta love people. You gotta love. Oh, now they're turning. Oh my gosh. Let's go. I'm gonna throw the hazards on. That was sick. I definitely could have went a lot harder, but just, you know, be safe. Ooh, LC 500. Damn. I bet Jaden's like freaking out right now.